Going to be showing you guys how you guys can use TikTok on your PC. So there's going to be the browser version of TikTok and there's going to be like the downloaded version of TikTok, and I'm going to be showing you the both way and how you guys can use them. First one, you just want to write TIKTOK TikTok. Once you search for TikTok, you want to click on make your day TikTok over here. It's going to take you to www.tiktok.com. Once over here, you need to log in into your account. You can also use TikTok without logging into your account. But if you log in into your account, you can interact. Like you can like the video, and if you like this person, you can follow them by clicking on follow over here. You can also click on this little button to comment on their post, alright? But if you don't sign in into your account, you can only watch videos. You can't do anything more than that. You can also check your account out by clicking on your profile picture and click on view profile to see all of the posts which you have uploaded, as well as you can also check your liked videos history over here. And if you want to see like people who are going live, you can click on live over here as well to check people going out live. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can use the browser version of TikTok. And for the another downloaded version, what you can do is go on your Microsoft Store. Once you go on your Microsoft Store over here, what you want to do is at the top of the screen where it says search, you want to search for TikTok over here, alright? So you want to write TikTok. Once you search for TikTok, basically there's going to be a TikTok app for like, your PC. What you can do is download it. So over here, it's going to be a download option should appear over here. So wait for some time. So over here, as you guys can see, install. Once you click on install, it'll start to download. Once it's downloaded, you just need to open it, and the interface is going to be as similar to this over here. It's just going to be on like an app version, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can use TikTok on your PC, the both downloaded version and like the website version. But I don't think you need to download the TikTok, because all of the feature which is available in this downloading version of TikTok, it's also going to be available in the browser version. It's simply the browser version of TikTok which, TikTok just made it in app, alright?